52. We live in a world where anybody can start a church. Anyone can say with their mouth, I believe in Jesus. And anybody can buy a cross. So how do you know who really follows Jesus? And more importantly, what separates a follower of Jesus from the rest of the world? Romans chapter 5, verse 5 says, because we have the love of God shed abroad in our hearts by the Holy Ghost, which is given to us. This means once you believe in Jesus Christ, you receive a love that is out of this world. The world will know you by the way you love each other. What separates you from each and every person in the world, from every religion in the world, is the love of God that you carry in your heart for one another. Group 52, this week, be sure to focus on letting the love of God show at home, to your family, in your workplace, to everyone who encounters you. They should know God lives in you because of the way that you love. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.